Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos. Welcome to Spring Spanish. Yo soy María Fernanda and I am one of los profes de español, the Spanish teachers here at Spring Spanish. In this video, I'm going to teach you los artículos en español, the articles in Spanish. Because in English we have the and a and that's it. However, in Spanish we have el, la, lo, los, la, unos, unas. Ay, Dios mío. But fear not, mis amigos, because after this video, you will know exactly when to use which article. ¿Estás listo? Before we take off, we gotta go over the basics. Did you know that in English we have definite and indefinite articles? Ta-da! Definite is the article the, and we have a and an for the indefinite articles. In both language, definite is for a specific thing, place, or people. However, in English, for singular and plural, we only have the. In Spanish, we use el for masculino and singular, or la for femenino and singular as well. Please note that el do not have an accent, because if you use with an accent, then you will change completely the meaning of it. Instead of meaning the, it will mean he. So it's muy importante, it's very important that you respect that rule. Now let's review some examples. El perro más viejo. El perro más viejo. The oldest dog. La clase de los artículos. La clase de los artículos. The articles lesson. As for the plural form, el becomes los and la becomes las. So let's have a look to more examples of it. Los perros más pequeños. Los perros más pequeños. The smaller dogs. Las clases de español. Las clases de español. The Spanish lessons. And how do we know if the noun is masculino or femenino? Well, go and check out the video that I made for you to know the noun's gender, and I gave you some useful tips there so you can use it in your daily life while learning Spanish. And just when you thought that we only have two definite articles, because we only have two genders, right? Actually, we have a third definite article that we know as neutro, neuter in English, which is used for general ideas or concepts and doesn't refer to any gender. Lo is usually followed by an adjective. Let's see some examples. Lo más importante. Lo más importante. This, in English, literally means the most important. Although in English we have to add the word thing so it could make sense. It would mean the most important thing. Another example. Lo más importante es respirar. Lo más importante es respirar. The most important thing is to breathe. Lo mejor. Lo mejor. The best. Now, let's move to the indefinite articles. In English, an indefinite article is the one that wants to refer to a general thing. So, for example, an exam or a school. It could be any school or any exam. Same as in Spanish, although we have un if it's masculino and we use una if it's femenino. Let's do some examples with some phrases. Somos una escuela de español. Somos una escuela de español. We are a Spanish school. Una niña. Una niña. A girl. And here is how to use them in plural. In English, it will be the word some. So in Spanish, we use unos if it's masculino or unas if it's femenino. For example, tengo unos exámenes mañana. Tengo unos exámenes mañana. I have some exams tomorrow. Quiero unos zapatos nuevos. Quiero unos zapatos nuevos. I want some new shoes. Papa and Mama, if you're looking at my video, this last statement is actually true. With these examples, now it will make even more sense when to use definite and indefinite article. But just in case, I made this table for you. Let's summarize. For definite articles that talk about specific things or people or place, we use el and los for masculino and la y las for femenino. Indefinite articles that are used to generalize things or concepts, then for masculino, we use un, unos, and femenino, una and unas. The article lo, just as a reminder, is used for general things and doesn't respond or do not refer to any gender, and is usually accompanied by an adjective. Now it's your turn de practicar, to practice. Can you guess the article? Let's try. I need a dog. Necesito un perro. Did you get it right? Okay, la siguiente, next one. I think it's a girl. Creo que es una niña. Excelente! Por favor, please do not overwhelm yourself because this is what I'm here for, and also the other Spring Spanish teachers. So feel free and check out their videos as well. Remember, we as Spanish speakers and natives, we also learn Spanish by ear. So this is the methodology we use at Spring Spanish Academy. If you're interested and really serious about taking a step further para aprender español, to learn Spanish, then check out the description box. I left a link for you there, access to the Spring Spanish Academy, where you will get the free training. We will teach you how we teach Spanish, and also free samples, free lessons that are going to be useful for you in this learning journey. Don't forget, te veo la próxima semana. I will see you next week. Adiós! Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share the videos with your friends.